Hello everyone and welcome to PA Academy. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw two circles within a given circle. So that is when you are given the radius of those two circles and such that those two circles will touch each other and it's also touch the circumference of the circle. So this is what I'm talking about. So if you have a circle, now this is one circle and you are asked to draw another two circles. So this is one. You can see it is within the first circle and this circle is touching the circumference of this larger circle, and now the third circle will also look like this. So you can see that it is touching this circle and it's also touching the larger one on the circumference of the circle. That means two circles within a given circle. So two circles within a given circle to touch each other. So how do we go about it? So before we get into this video, please, if you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. So just take your time to click on the subscribe button now and the little bell icon. So if you have just done that, let me also know in the comments section that if you have subscribed. So you can just write subscribe or just write I've subscribed. Alright, thank you very much if you have just done that. I appreciate you for doing that. Alright, so let's get into this video. So for the circles that we are going to be using to illustrate this example, we are going to be using a circle with a radius. So let's call that the bigger circle. Let's call it R. So we are going to be using a radius of 8 centimeters. So your units might be different. You might not necessarily use mine, but if you are doing, for example, you can also use mine. But if you are maybe given an assignment and then you are given the radius to use, so you can use yours. But the steps are the same thing. So 8 centimeters, then that's the one for that's this bigger circle. So that's R. Then we are going to be having R1. That's the radius of one of the circle that is inside the bigger circle inside. So we are going to be using a radius of 3 centimeters, and then we are going to be having small r, which is the radius of the smaller circle, to be 2 centimeters. So those are the radius we are going to be using. So the first thing I'm going to be doing now is to draw the circle of the first, the circle, to measure the radius of the first circle. So that's 8 centimeters. Okay, I already have my compass to be on 8 centimeters. So if you are hearing those on in the background of this video, please sorry for that. I'm close to the road. That's why you are hearing those background noise. Alright, so here is the circle. So I'm trying to go through it so that you can see it properly. Alright, so we already have our circle with a radius of 8 centimeters. So let's call the center of this circle O. The center of this circle, let's call it O. So the next thing now is to draw the second circle, which is a radius of 3 centimeters. Now before we do that, let's draw out our radius. So we already draw out our radius. Now on this radius, so let me call this point A. So that's AO is our radius. For us to draw this second circle, and this is it with a radius of 3 centimeters, that means on this line OA, don't forget this line OA is already 8 centimeters, which is our radius. So we are going to be doing 8 centimeters minus 3 centimeters. That will give us 5 centimeters. Now you pick your compass and measure 5 centimeters. So just follow along. So I already have my 5 centimeters. So you place it on point O and bisect the radius. So that point will just bisect on line OA, which is the radius, will be the center of the second circle. So now let's bring back our compass and measure 3 centimeters. So now this is 3 centimeters, which is now the radius of the second circle. So make sure it's properly done. So now you place it on this point. So let's call this point B. Point B. So that will represent the center of the second circle. And from there, you draw the circle. So you can see we already have our second circle. So as at now, we already have our fourth circle. and then our second circle. Now we want to draw that of the third circle with a radius of 2 centimeters, such that it will be touching this circle and it will also be touching the circumference of the bigger circle, and they will all be inside of it. So to do that, we are going to pick our compass and do small calculation here, so just some plus and minus. So from the center of this second circle, that is from point B, the radius here is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter, that's of this circle. So that 3 centimeter plus the radius of the third circle, 2 centimeter. So that is 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. So that will give us 5 centimeter. So you pick your compass and measure 5 centimeter. So I already have my 5 centimeter. You place your compass on point B and draw an arc. So this is it. This is the arc here. Okay, so this is it here. So this is the arc I've just drawn. So that is there. So now the next thing is, from this point O, we are going to be having, from point O, the radius from point O to the main circle is 8 centimeter. So that means we are going to be having 8 centimeter minus 2 centimeter. That is the radius of the third circle that we want to draw, and that will give us 6 centimeter. So I'll measure 6 centimeter on my compass. And so you can see, so where they bisect, so the point of intersection of the two arc, let's note it. So that would be the center of the third circle. And don't forget, the radius of the third circle is 2 centimeter. So now we measure at 2 centimeter. So don't let the little calculation I did here get you confused. So you can just play the video again so that you get it properly. And if you are finding value in this video already, please give the video a thumbs up. So I've just measured 2 centimeter. I'll place it on this point. So let's call that point C. Point C. So I place my compass on this point C with a radius of 2 centimeter, and I'll draw the circle. So this is the third circle. So you can see we already have 3 circles. We have 2 internal circles such that it is touching each other. They are both touching each other and also touching the circumference of the circle. So this is how you go about it when you are asked to draw 2 circles within a given circle such that they will touch each other, and you are given the radius of all the 3 circles. So if you find this video helpful, kindly click on the thumbs up button to give this video a thumbs up. Do make sure you share this video with your colleagues, with your friends, on social media. It will mix a lot to this channel. And if you are yet to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to PA Academy. And you can also check our playlist on technical drawing for more videos under technical drawing, and visit our website paacademy.co. So if you have any question for me or any video requests, do leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you all in another video. Thank you very much.